Mrs. O'Connor here. I thought for our comprehension this week, I would show you how I make my 1, 2, 3 pancakes for Freddie's breakfast, and then I'm going to ask you some questions afterwards. So, first of all, I need to show you my ingredients. So we need 1 banana, 2 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of oats. That's why they're called 1, 2, 3 pancakes. So first of all, we need to peel the banana. If you hear crunching in the background, that's my doggy eating his breakfast. He's a very noisy eater. And we mash the banana. It's good to have a brown banana for this because then it's nice and soft. There we go. Now we're going to add our eggs. 1, 2. Oh, I've just run out of eggs. Anybody got any good ideas on how to make something with an egg box? Maybe I could make it with Freddie. And we whisk the egg into the bananas. This is Freddie's favourite breakfast, and it's so easy to make. You can make it yourself with adult supervision, of course. Now, we're going to add in, that's my spoon for my porridge in the morning. So we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of porridge oats. 1, 2, doesn't matter if they're nice and big and heaped. 3, there we go. And we mix them all in. And give it a good mix. Now we need to cook them in the pan. Now this is not on at the moment, and this is where you need help from an adult because it's very dangerous to play with the cooker if you're a young child. So you're just going to drizzle a bit of oil in, and I'm going to turn that on and let that heat up. I'll just keep mixing. Now on Freddie's plate, he likes his blueberries and plums. So I've already chopped those up. Not very good at arranging plates. And some yogurt. It's really, really nice. I also, when they're cooked, like to chop them up so he can pick them up as finger food and drizzle on some honey. He loves honey. Okay, now that should be hot enough. Now again, this is where mummy or daddy or an older sibling or Nana and Grandpa, whenever they come round when all of this has calmed down. Now I take my tablespoon and I put in, I like to call it a dollop. And try and make sure that they're nice and round like a pancake. There we go. Oh, doesn't matter if they're a bit messy. And they're just going to heat up now and cook. I've got my flipper ready to flip them over when they're done. Need to leave them on for 1.5 minutes. You'll start to see bubbles around the edges, and that means that they're cooking underneath. Here we go. Now, we put oil in the pan. Oh, you can hear them sizzling. We put oil in the pan to stop them from sticking to the pan. If we don't put oil in, they'll get stuck to the frying pan and they won't be very good pancakes. Okay. Oh, that is a good sizzling sound. They're not quite ready to flip yet. I'm just going to drizzle that oil over there. Now you can use butter if you'd like instead of oil. I like to use oil. It's just that little bit healthier than butter. Oh, look at that. Oh, I think this one's ready to flip. Let's have a go. Oh, and it's not quite cooked. So we'll probably need to leave the others a little bit longer. You like a nice brown colour to know that they're cooked. There we go. Right, I'm going to try this one now. It's quite tricky to flip them over without breaking them. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was quite good. They're a bit nice, they're nice and brown on these ones, but I think we might need to flip them over again. They're really sizzling now. Here we go. Let's see how this one's looking. Oh, lovely. There we go. Let's flip these ones over. They get a bit easier to flip the more they're cooked, because they're less likely to break then. Flip this one over. Oh, lovely. Just a little bit longer. And then I'm going to put them on Freddie's plate. Oh, look at that, lovely and brown. I think they're nearly ready. So I'm going to get my plate ready. I think I'm going to choose this one first. I'll pop it on there. Whoop. And this one. And I'm going to take the pan off the heat and cook the rest later. And there is Freddie's breakfast. Just gonna drizzle some honey on. There we go. Perfect.